Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Sonia Fung, a naturopathic doctor and owner of Live Well Clinic here in La Quinta, California. Welcome to Tuesday of Naturopathic Medicine Week. And today we are going to talk about the benefits of fasting, and our giveaway goes right along with that. It is a Prolon 5-day fast mimicking diet package. So here with me today is our new holistic health coach, Brigid Barrett, who will talk to you all about what fasting is and how it works in your body. So I'm going to step out now, and Brigid's going to take over for me. Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Fung. I'm going to take my mask off. So I'm sure most of you have heard of fasting. It's certainly been in the media quite a bit, and most people have at least heard of it. And I heard about it 4 years ago here in Palm Desert. I was in a group exercise program, and the owner of the program came in one day and said he's going to do a lecture on fasting. And I went to it. It was interesting. And I thought he had lost it. I really did. I thought, this is just absolutely crazy. That was 4 years ago. He was an early adopter, whatever they call it, because the Nobel Prize had been given just the year before to a man, Dr. Asumi, for his study on autophagy, which started the whole intermittent fasting, or the fasting the interest in that, in terms of what it could do for people, especially in the weight loss area. So that was the first time I ever heard of it. And fasting can be either, you can talk about it, typically when people say that, they mean intermittent fasting or extended fast. So intermittent fasting is typically going without food from 12 to 17, 18 hours. Anything over 24 hours or so is called it's like more of an extended fast. And there are so many benefits to this lifestyle. Intermittent fasting has been suggested as a way to instigate fat loss in a person, in their changing their metabolism. It is a way to change someone from a sugar burner to a fat burner, is really where it gets its momentum for fat loss and weight control. It's actually a door into a way to become metabolically fit. That's what we call metabolic fitness. So it, depending on the rest of your whole physiological makeup, you can lose weight. Some people do faster than others using an intermittent fasting schedule. So fasting has many benefits. What it does primarily is, because there's not any food going in, the insulin stops being produced. So the longer you go without food, the lower your insulin goes down, because you're not needing it. It will decrease. And so your blood sugar goes down, and your ketone level goes up. So if we want to get into ketosis, which is a huge benefit to our body, to be able to metabolize ketones as well as sugar. But if we're doing that, it really helps with so many of the inflammatory conditions. Depending on the hours that you are without food, increases your ketones and your ability to heal inflammation, and to increase this component called autophagy. So autophagy is a term that was invented, or that came about from the research that was done by Asumi and some of the other ones. I'm going to talk about one in particular, Dr. Walter Longo's work. But and autophagy refers to the process of, it's also another term for eat thyself. So because we're not ingesting food, our body, which is such a brilliant, amazing creation, that it goes through the body. Our body knows if no food's coming in, it will go through and find damaged cells that are ready to die, and it cleans it up. So that's what autophagy is. It's eating thyself, meaning it's another word for detoxing. So it just cleans up excess, not needed cells. That really helps with our immune system. It can help with stem cell production when you fast. Dr. Walter Longo is a researcher at USC, and his area of focus was on longevity. He found during his work that periodic deprivation of food increased the longevity, the health and the wellness of cells, so that people lived longer and were healthy as they were living. So he decided and developed a product called the Prolon. It's called the Fast Mimicking Diet. And the cool thing about this is that he found that over a period of 5 days, it's a 5-day food plan. Over the period of 5 days, it's reduced calories, so that the focus is reduce calories, also reducing your carbohydrates and your protein, especially proteins and carbohydrates, which puts you in ketosis, but the protein increases the ability of the cells to go into, helps with the autophagy. So he put together a beautiful product. It's called the Prolon, so pro longevity, Prolon diet. And so it's not exactly total fast. It's low calorie. So it's beautifully packaged day 1 through day 5. And it's very easy to understand, very easy to follow. The first day is, I think, around 1,100 calories. You get soups and some, I think, nut bars and a couple of cracker products. But it's not much food, but at least it's not no food. So if it's the first time you're venturing into trying a fasting lifestyle, it's very easy to follow. It's satiate. It'll help you get into ketosis. Once you get into ketosis after the first day or so, your hunger hormones are kicked in so that you're not quite as hungry. Things happen like that. It really is an easy to follow plan. The other exciting thing is that we're going to have daily support for you. So you have a community of people. If you choose to do it during the time we do it, which is the first week in November, we'll be having a call every night so that you can call in and get some support. So this is a really great way to start. Start out with your fasting. If you've never done a fast before, it's a great way to start. He hit all the food in it. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, high-quality food. Just like I said, it's just soup. It's easy to digest, and it will keep you going through the 5 days with great results. So hopefully you'll have some good experience with it, with everything that's built in on this product. So I'm looking forward to that. That'll be a really fun way to start. If you've never done fasting before, I've done a few other fasts that are just water fasts. So this is kind of interesting to see how this might be different and see how you would like it too. So the question of the day, the special question that you need to answer in order to be part of our giveaway the question is, what is autophagy? And you can look that up if you want. You can Google it.
So remember to join us on our IGTV Live at 5 o'clock every day and answer the question down on the comments. to be eligible for our daily prize, which we will announce on our live broadcast. All right, thank you for watching.